The Hearing Services program will cover assessment, full audiological assessments, which include speech testing, hearing testing, and otoscopy. If those results do find that you are eligible for hearing aids, you have the option of getting fully subsidised hearing aids under the government or partially subsidised hearing aids under the government. Now, the fully subsidised hearing aids have been approved by the program. They're absolutely great hearing aids. All hearing aids that have been approved have passed technical and performance requirements, so they're great hearing aids. However, if you do feel like your lifestyle or you're in a bit more like complex noise situations more often, so you might be going to restaurants and cafes quite often, you might choose to then get a better level hearing aid, and to do that you just have to pay a gap-up fee. So what the program will do, will pay the fully subsidised amount for the basic hearing aid, and then you can then choose to top up on top of that to get a better level hearing aid. Now, these approved devices are all great. They're offered by all the leading manufacturers.